Alright, hello people. I'm going to show you how to unjam a Mohen garbage disposal. My model is a GXP33C. You see, you had a reset button. I pushed it in and tried to flip the switch again and unjam it. It didn't work. Alright, so now realized I had to try something else. And alright, this is a turntable that's down there with blades under it. The way it works is it doesn't have blades that are visible. Those little silver parts, they push the food to the side and the food goes down the little holes and then it gets chopped up. All right, so you can't just reach in there and grab things out when something gets stuck. So I got the tool right here, the plunger. That's the tool. That's what you want. Took the plunger and just pushed it and pushed down on it, and then when you push down on it, you turn it in a circle. Push down and turn clockwise. And then you can bring it back counterclockwise. Bring it back counterclockwise. Do that until it feels kind of loose. When I did this first time, I could smell the food. The greasy food that was stuck in there when I was turning it. Just press down and push to the left or to the right. Do circles. And you feel it get kind of loose, then you should be good. You turn the water on. Hit the switch.